Listen, if you're watching this video right now while sitting down, I need you to pay very close attention. Because that exact position you're in, it could be quietly sabotaging your testosterone, your circulation, and yeah, your performance in the bedroom. And guys, most of you have no idea this is even happening. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Mia Carter and I'm a urologist here in the US. Over the past few years, I've noticed younger and younger guys coming into my office with issues that used to only affect men in their 60s and 70s. And you know what the common denominator is? They're all sitting for 8, 10, sometimes 12 hours a day. So today, I'm breaking down exactly what's happening to your body when you sit, the specific position that's making it worse, and stick with me till the end. I'll give you a simple 30-second reset you can do right at your desk. All right, let's get real. When you sit, especially hunched over your laptop, you're compressing your pelvic floor. Think of it like a hammock of muscles supporting everything down there. When you sit for hours, you're putting a 150-pound weight on that hammock. Day after day, research from the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who sit for more than 6 hours a day have a 19% higher risk of erectile dysfunction. That's not a small number, guys. But here's what most people don't know. It's not just about sitting, it's about how you're sitting. When you slouch forward or cross your legs, you're restricting blood flow to your pelvis. And blood flow is literally everything when it comes to sexual health. Now here's something even more concerning. Sitting isn't just a blood flow issue. It's a hormonal issue. Prolonged sitting actually lowers your testosterone levels. First, when you sit for long periods, the temperature in your groin area increases. And your testicles do not like heat. They need to be cooler than the rest of your body to produce testosterone efficiently. Second, sitting increases cortisol, your stress hormone. And when cortisol goes up, testosterone comes down. So you're sitting there stressed about a deadline, and your body is choosing stress response over testosterone production. A study from the American Journal of Epidemiology found that men who sat more than 8 hours daily had testosterone levels 13% lower than those who moved regularly. 13% just from sitting. So what's the worst sitting position? The forward lean with crossed legs. You're at your desk, leaning forward to see the screen better, one leg crossed over the other. Sound familiar? This is destroying your pelvic health. Here's why. You're compressing your perineum, the area between your scrotum and anus. This area is packed with nerves and blood vessels crucial for erectile function. When you compress this for hours, you're choking off the blood supply. Crossing your legs twists your pelvis and creates even more pressure. The forward lean compresses your abdomen, restricting your breathing. More cortisol, less testosterone. I had a patient, Jake, 28 years old, software developer. He came to me with numbness and performance issues. He sat 10 hours a day in this exact position. We made changes, and within 6 weeks, his symptoms were 80% better. No medication, just changing how he sat. Now, here's the good news. You don't need an expensive standing desk to fix this. First, the best sitting position. Sit with your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your weight evenly distributed. Maintain a neutral spine, tall but relaxed. Keep your screen at eye level, and uncross those legs. Now, the 30-second reset. Do this every hour. Step 1, stand up and march in place for 10 seconds. Step 2, do 5 deep hip circles. This opens up your pelvis. Rotate clockwise, then counterclockwise. Step 3, finish with 5 deep squats or just sit down and stand up from your chair. This activates your pelvic floor. That's it. 30 seconds, once an hour. Set a timer on your phone. Look, I get it, you're busy. But guys, your health is not negotiable. Small changes now prevent big problems later. Quick question, how many hours a day are you sitting? Drop a comment below. Here's your takeaway. The way you sit matters just as much as how long you sit. Avoid that forward lean with crossed legs, do your 30-second reset every hour, and watch your energy and performance improve. You work hard. You deserve to feel good in every area of your life. Sometimes the small changes, like how you sit at your desk, make the biggest difference. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to True Wellness Network, and comment what you want me to cover next. Until then, sit smarter, move more, and take care of that body. It's the only one you've got. This is Dr. Mia Carter, and I'll see you in the next one.